Hey guys, so for today's look, I tried recreating a look I saw on Instagram. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you do, please give the video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe while you're down there. Also, check out my social media, and if you guys are interested in trying out dodo lashes, then don't forget to use my code at checkout. So if you guys want to see how I did this look, then keep on watching. Hey guys. So once I already finished filming the intro and I was done with my look, I decided to try the flowers again just to see if I can actually do them, and I did. I drew little baby flowers on my crease. They came out so cute. I actually am happy with how the look turned out. So I was able to recreate the look on Instagram. Yeah. Okay, on to the video. Bye! Hey guys, so for today's video I will be recreating this look. I will post it right here so you guys can see it. I will also link her Instagram down below so you guys can go check it out. So first I'm going to start off with the Jaclyn Hill palette. And I'm going to take these two shades and I'm going to use that as my transition shade. I'm going to use a Morphe M513 brush and I'm going to start buffing that into my crease. So in the picture it looks like the top half of her cut crease is just brown and then the lid is all mustard. So that's what I'm going to be doing. Next I'm going to go into the Morphe 3502 palette and I'm going to take this warm brown shade and mix it with this darker brown cool shade. I'm going to use a Morphe 413 brush and I'm going to start packing this into my crease. I'm going to go back into the Jaclyn Hill palette and I'm going to take these two dark brown shades. Using a Morphe E17 brush, I'm going to start to deepen out my crease even more. Now I'm going to cut my crease using the Tarte Shade Tape in Light Sand. Then I'm just going to set my cut crease with this yellow mustard shade. Now for the flowers, I'm going to use the NYX Vivid Brights liner in Vivid Halo and then the NYX Felt Tip liner in White. Oh my gosh. This is so hard. Oh my gosh. So I started doing the flowers and then they just started getting messier and messier, and then I would fix them and they kept getting messier and messier. So I took off my whole eyeshadow and just did the regular cut crease. I'm sorry. I tried. So I went ahead and put on some lashes. These are the Dodo lashes in the style 301. If you guys want these lashes, then make sure to use my code at checkout, which is LALXSLY, to save some money. Now starting on the face, I'm going to prime my skin using the It Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores Primer. For foundation, I'm going to use a new Maybelline multi-use foundation stick, and I got the shade 120 Classic Ivory. And also, look how small that is. That's all the product you get. Comparing it to my Hourglass foundation, this one says it has 0.25 ounces and this one says it has 0.25 ounces. This is how much I have left of my Hourglass, and this is how much it comes in the Maybelline. I mean, yeah, this one's triangled and this one's circled, but that's still really weird. So I'm just gonna put this all over my face. So I'm just going to try the applicator it comes with first. So the foundation looks really good, but the sponge applicator did absorb a lot of the product, which made it less full coverage. Now I'm just going to use a regular brush on the other side of my face. So surprisingly enough, the side I used the applicator on looked a lot more smoother than where I used the brush. It still did absorb a lot of the product, but overall this side looks a lot better than just this side. For concealer, I'm going to use the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind in Light. To set my unders, I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder in Fair Light. For bronzer, I'm going to use my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. For blush, I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me Blush in Rose. So I'm just going to keep rolling with Maybelline, so I'm going to use their Master Chrome Highlighter in Molten Gold. So for lips, I started with the NYX Lip Liner in Natural. And then over top, I applied the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink in Driver. And then topping it off with the e.l.f. Lip Plumping Gloss in Champagne Glam. So that was the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Little baby flowers. They're so cute. I already said that. Wait. I'm going to use the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind in Powder in Fair. And off with the e.l.f. Oh my god. And off with the e.l.f. The e.l.f. Lip